how to fix unable to open link in Google. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error unable to open link when clicking on links in Google search. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store and search for Google Chrome. Now check if Chrome is disabled. If you see an enable button, tap on it to activate the app. Next, go to your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on apps. Now tap the three dots at the top right corner. Select Reset App Preferences from the menu. This won't delete any data, it'll just reset default app settings. Also, go back to the Play Store and make sure Google Chrome is up to date. If you see an update button, tap it to install the latest version. Now, try opening a link from Google search again. You should no longer see the unable to open link error. That's all for the video. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. If you got any questions, drop them in the comments. See you in the next one.